Go bile le a TikTok live ye tlhagileng 3 days ago. Molong Tabang's a photo at million go TikTok or held, and you guys in the live ne ba bolela ka rehabilitation center, like the scandals inside the rehabilitation center. Particularly they were talking about rehabilitation center and the Moloto go Limpopo, you guys, and this lady ke motswadi wa an addict o tlile on the live to expose Rachel Rongwana has been through at the hands of the rehabilitation center. Yeah, Ntate Moloto, you guys, she exposes quite a lot and even broke down as she had to detail the horrors that her son had gone through at the hands of that rehabilitation center. And just a snippet, she exposes the rehabilitation center of being very unruly, very unhygienic. She goes deep into detail as her son explains. Now she says that she has, evidence mo founung ya gagwe to prove that Mr. Moloto is showing people's money, but is not giving them the quality that he promised them, because she says that, while her son must go rehab, he exposes Mr. Moloto and the workers for selling them budi nyaupe, budi metsoko, dikwai, while they are rehabilitated. She talked about how she regrets wishing Ngwana go, because as she thought that Ngwana will look there to be rehabilitated, unfortunately it wasn't a rehab like she thought, you guys. Now she also exposes the harsh living conditions children wanna live through go rehabilitation center. You guys, she said quite a lot and she broke down. Of course, she talked about how she reached out to Mr. Moloto after finding a bag lady spirit ka bekeng ya ngwana gagwe. When she contacted Mr. Moloto or blamed her for giving their children money, you guys. And or le ga botšiša ngwana gagwe where did you get these things, they are selling these things. My security and workers they're selling to the addicts to make extra cash, you guys. She has said quite a lot, so it is but quickly insert this video. But before I insert that, do make sure that you do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not have to miss out like upload a new video.
Hey, kore a ke tsebe gore ke reng ne kore ke utlwile botlhoko gagolo, so a ke tsebe gore ke reng. A tsebe gore ngicele ningibuze noma yini engifuna ukungibuza. Ke na le ngwana o tswang ko rehab ya Ntate Moloto ne. Ke ile ka isa moshimane wa ka was ka November, ka November ha ke misa ka usana teng o tsamile o ka usana teng ke phone ke kopo bua le ngwanaka ne. Ha ke bua le ngwanaka a ngitshela ukuthi mama ngicela uzongilanda le ndawo ingcolile, akusindawo engahlala umuntu ophilayo. Ai ke nkara ke ro ba tsiba ha batho ba re nkankare ba maka re banki serious vele wabo amputse gore bangitshontshele izinto zami isikore ngikalla sorry ne ngizozama ukusibamba. Bangitshontshele izinto zami mama, kubuhlungu lana, ngicela ungilande mama. Ebeke re ko yena hlala ayikho lento le, but ntwena nje ke ba founela ko teng ba tshware phone ko reception ke re moshimane wa ka o re o latlhegetse ke dilo tsa gagwe so eno mpoleletse dilo tse ngata. Ba mpolelo ra ngwana o maka wa ba tseba bana ba go royang eng. Okay sharp, ke dule 2 days ke phone hape. Ha ke bua le ngwana ka ko founung, like o kila bona o bua le motho o motlo gore o tshogile, gona le batho ba emeng mo gaufi le yena ne. Ngwana Africa tseba ngwanaka, okay ke mmotse ka style gore a o khona ukukhuluma lapho ukatiwe na. Are etsa hare ankelwe phone, ke utlwe phone, ke utlwe somebody are drop phone eo I drop. Okay sharp ne ka di 7 tsa December ke tshwaretse ngwanaka cruise and ele enough engata ke re ke letso gore ke tlo dula 3 months ke sai. ha o ka di 7 tsa December ke misetse cruiser eo re fitlhile goseng ne tsamaya le my sister in law ra fitla goseng ha re fitlhile mo le just past 5 okay sharp re kene ko waiting area ya teng yo ya bona le andawo liya maybe nasemayeleni kasathane kungcono ngakwazi thapila ukena ka reception go fail okay a ke gane wa gone bona re ke undertaker hirerile se sebedisetswa center okay sharp ona taba ha wa ntse re dutse mo go kene ngwana mong a kena ngwana mong ba motlisitse le ena like o go gone bona gore before bana ba kena ka mogare dilo tsa bona di setse di a searchiwa dilo tsa bana ke mo kile ka bona gore okay o sure moshimane wa kana disitse ra thola ka thula le squeeze sa ka ra shebana okay ya ne ukuthi ibhlungu lentingi ibone lapha ba mmitse ngwana ka atle re mo fe cruiser eo ke mmotse boy yini athi mama angali ne ngiyabhema but uthungise rehab ngwana ka ke eno tlileng ko nna amplela hore mama nginenkinga ngibhema iCrystal ubuleletse nna aka utlwa ka bare or eng a re ngibhema iCrystal ngicela ungifunise usizo ngizwe bathi kunama rehab ngifunise mama okay sharp okay amputse yalo rangadi mengulithile mama into yokuqala la ama toilet alana ablockile mama amoshakele enisingena kuwo aloka angena aloka amoshakele yes2 mama sikliniswa lawo ma toilet lawo ngesandla akunanto yokudisinfecta akuna glove mama akuna next izolo bengiklina lama toilet lawo mama ngezandla zami mama nuka izandla zami zisanuka hayi kinke kare wabatsiba ke rana bana fela ke rai wena unamanga wabona hayi ke sika mkholo ngalo are mama amashawa angakagezi ngisafa ukungena etoilet ngwana ka wayithatha ke bathuku maka athi angikwazi ukugeza amashawa mama ablockile mama ablockile aphuma imichamo enisigeza phakathi kwawalo kangena ngicela ungithathe mama uyivele ungivalele endlini kere mntanami angukholwa unamanga ayina ngimthithe phone yakhe kari ko ngwanaka ngicela ungene uyongishutela lawo ma toilet lawo ke nna ke rometseng video eo le wena o tsebe gore ke mango go sendetseng video eo ya di toilets aksena taba ya nong o sendetse ke nna video eo ke nna ke sendetseng video eo so ke ra ngishutela ya phakathi la balala khona eo ke nka se khone ke delete ka re gona le bana ba bang ba ne ba tlhagile pleke ele ha o ka bona di ceiling makundwane SS ke qedile 3 days ke sathi ko ntlong ka se ngwana ka ya ke fitla ko ntlong pelo ya ka lla ka ra sharp ke ka Christmas ke re ko bona ngwana ha ke fitla cruiser e fedile mama la ngalanga ngutshela ukuthi in bekumele ngibhadale ngecruiser yami sishaywa phansi keinyawo bathi amakwayikwaye mawupayisile mawuyenze like njengoba ngikutshelile wena wabatshela ukuthi mina ngithini uyazi ukuthi ngishaywe kanjani mama yo thabang ngana kahluleki teki mangabona umntana ambheka kanjani phansi kwenyawo okay sharp kunandaba nisitshele nje ukuthi usicelele kube ukuthi aye lapha ngokubhema yazi ihluleke ukukhuluma man ziningi into engizosikhuluma okay asikhatheni story short ngambile ngayobhadala le mali yabo yonke bebayithenga emhlalise noma ngayihlalanga ngathatha umntanami guess what thaba masiphuma kantate Mloto siphuma same day nomntanami ngihamba noyisqueeze sami besi4 umntanami uphume nebheke ngoba umplelethu rona le ditshitsi una le dinta aka se khone utswa le diaparo tseo dianga ka roke di serisile dilo kaofela o tswile ka dilo tsa diapere na tshwere beke ya gage ya toiletry fela le beke nyane ngonkile ka mofa yona wa bona wa tswa kontate Mloto o kena kokoloing ha re tsamaya le ngwana ka ke re ncela ubona le beke le ukuthi ayina ditshitsi akina gane ntho tsengata ha ke bula beke ina le matekwana o tswa ka rehab motho ina le 20 ya kwai khone spirit container nyane ngaka ke eme ke re wena dilo tse di tswa kae ka re o tswa ko rehab le dilo tseo Arayi mama besisithenga phakathi ngegrocery. Untatemloto uyazi yena abuye nnete hore shem mama a ke batle ho buela ntatemloto maka, ha tsebe ntho tse etsagalang ka mo gare, ha tsebe next ntatemloto. Re reka dilo tse ko ma security 1 2 3 ai okay sharp ka usane ke founele ntatemloto umntana uphuma e-rehab, uphume nezinto eziyi-1 2 3. Watho ntatemloto utse ai ke lona le kenyetsang bana di-grocery eng and nna wa nagana hore tšhelete e ke ipatetseng e kana-kanang tšhelete eo ke nkile le loan ka mo ke re ke thusa ngwana, loan e ke sa kgoneng lo ipatala ya ka single parent. So gore a ke kgone ho bua, ne ke batla gore ngifuna ukubhodla ngikhiphe into esesifubeni sami, ngingayithatha from lapho, but makhona into engifuna ukungibuza yona ningangibuza ngizaphendula. Ngikhathele ukuthi isiloko sisaba sikuthi sizothreatenishwa senzwane, namanje usampodi umunye umntwana uphumile, makaphuma wasitshela ukuthi thina sisale safuna ukushayelwa leya video leya sihlukumeziwe, kungeniwe wasisearcha bafuna lamateki alomuntu lo okule video leyo, and uyabona ukuthi kube bamtholile, kube manje sikhuluma enye into. Yona ntho e tsafetseng. I know ka bona gore ba teng ba nkutlwa, but o salang gore ke bua nnete.
No, they are here mama, and abayenze noma yini abafuna ukuyenza.
Yeah, nami
We're not scared of them. We were never scared of Maburu anaribulaya amatwakana bula batho. The truth it on and will be written. But to kausana uko rubuya yang mama through your permission.